I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.
I'm gonna put my Becca Cosmetics, the Backlight priming filter on. Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Use this on like my T-zone area. Makeup like to act up. So just the center of my face. It looks like it's like super like non-matching, but it works out. Make sure you get your ear because, you know, I mean, it's a lot. I knew that was gonna be a lot. Damn, I didn't mean to put that much. A little bit goes a long way. Sometimes I'm like, all right, I'm done. Like, I'm tired of bouncing this all over my face, but you know, you gotta keep going. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to get the center of my nose. And then, like right here. And then here, right here. I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to bring it upwards, like I'm gonna take it right here and then bring it up that way. See, I didn't even contour, but you can still see it's a little sick. Okay, I'm gonna take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. Okay, I'm gonna contour. Wow, it's a lot. Well, that up. So I'm gonna use this. Never used it before. I just took it out of the bag. Okay. I'm going to... I'm not really into this. It's like super soft. I like this brush because it's like does all the work for you. Bronzing has really been my like favorite part of my makeup routine. Wow. I really like this brush. This is the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush. I like it a lot because like I'm barely like using any pressure and just letting the brush do all the work. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. My nose is disappearing. I've put way too much on. Oh my gosh. How? Okay, we're gonna bring our nose back. You wanna know how we're gonna bring our nose back? With concealer. Love it. Oh my gosh, that looks crazy. We're gonna leave it. If I look like I have like a wide nose, and I don't even have a wide nose. This looks super weird. I feel like my nose is like so big. So now with my Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to I don't really like bake because my skin gets like dry. So yeah, I just, you know, pack it on there. To put over top of the cream bronzer, I'm gonna take this Smashbox Suntan Matte Bronzer. Take this big fluffy powder brush and go like that. chin. That's why I don't really worry if like my foundation is like lighter than me, because yeah, this is really pissing me off. My neck, you know. Wow, I'm sorry if I look splotchy. Let me just put some bronzer there. This looks a hot ass, nasty ass mess. Oh my gosh. Now honestly, this looks a little ridiculous, so I'm gonna go wipe my chest off. I'll be back. I think that's a little better because it's looking too crazy. It's summertime and I want to look like a bronze ass bitch. So this right here is the Panama Sun Bronzer by Becca. Love it. It gives you that like, I've been liking that reddish type bronzy look. Like reddish orangish, but like, you know. You know what I'm talking about? I just want to put this on my cheeks. I'm going to take this highlighter by Colourpop in the shade Most Necessary. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a shimmery type. Is this a highlighter or a brush? I mean a blush. Super soft cheek. So whatever the hell that means. But it's like colorful. Oh, that's so pretty. Do you guys see that? Orange. A little bit on my nose. This is the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. I think it means like Caribbean or something like that. But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Look at these shades, guys. I was so excited to receive this month's box. This came in my BoxyCharm from this month of June. These colors. I'm going to take this Morphe R40 brush. Now guys, again, I just moved, so my brushes ain't. Ooh. Ooh. You see that glow? Okay, I'm going to take this shade Cocoa Taxi. It's like this orangey shade. It is so pretty. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And build this up to however I want it. This shade is so pretty. Oh my God. I'm gonna take the shade Tropical, this shade right here, build that in my crease. Do you guys see that? I gotta go. I can't handle anything. This is my favorite palette ever. I'm going to Spain. This palette screams Spain, so. This bitch about to go with me though. I'm gonna go back in with the first brush I used with that orange shade. I'm not gonna put any more product on the brush. I'm not gonna put any more product on the brush. I'm just going to blend out that color. Shade Guantanamero. Okay, I'm gonna just focus this like right beneath the crease. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. Like, this is so pretty. Y'all, I'm gonna take this one. It's called Celia. Like that. Gosh. Do I not like leave it like that? Honestly, low-key about to just go all up. No. Like that. Might as well bring it to the front like that. The formula of this shadow, oh my gosh. I'm gonna take this little thingy. I'm gonna take Cocoa Taxi, that orange shade, the first shade we used. I'm going to put this on my under my bottom lash line. I'm just going in order with the shades I use. I'm gonna focus this more so on the, now we're going all out. I'm gonna put it all on this, anyways, you'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this burgundy one and I'm gonna take the definer brush and like really like pack that one closely. I'm not gonna really like buff that one out. I'm gonna just pack it like this. Just a little bit, I'm gonna blend it out. Then I'm gonna coat my lashes. But y'all, this mascara, hands down, is like, so far, beats any mascara I've ever used. I'm gonna use the Lilly lashes in Miami, which I'm really excited because, I mean, I know these are like super popular and I'm like super late, but your girl just got them. And I wanna use them and they're so freaking pretty. Oh my boy. Go on. They look like this. I'm gonna highlight with MAC Soft and Gentle. I haven't used this in so long. Oh my god. Now I remember why I loved it. I'm highlighting to the golds, okay? Wow. We're almost done, guys. Just gotta put some lips on. Line my lips with this Ofra Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chestnut. In the BoxyCharm, also got this Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. And I'm going to not really into it. This is my Ulta Lip Plumping High Shine Top Coat Lip Gloss. Much better. Last thing, I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu facial spray, rose water spray. And I'm going to spray my these. Like these. Oh! So thank you so much. This was the longest makeup tutorial that I filmed because your girl had some difficulties. I really like how it came together. Wasn't too sure what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to use those pretty ass colors, which I did. I hope you guys like this look and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you're still watching, you the bomb. I will see you soon. Love you. Hey guys. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me do this over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey sugars. Hello. Hi, thank you for coming to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thank you for watching and clicking this video. Why don't I ever know what to say? Why don't I ever know what to say? Hello. Why do I always, hello? Like what? I honestly want to just like take these off and like rub my eye, but I can't do that until about 8 hours from now. My eye, they won't stop. Hi, Shucks.